All right, let's do some Mathity-Math. It says here, write the compound inequality that describes this graph. Okay, so out the gate, you know you're writing a compound inequality. Okay, compound inequality means there's two constraints involved in this one. So let's get to it. So here is your picture. First step, when it's split like this and you have it shooting off this direction and then shooting off that direction, that tells us we kind of have like two options we need to weigh or two pieces of this we want to put together. And basically what this is saying is it's going to be this or it's going to be that, right? So in general, I just like to start this off and I just write or. Okay, that's how you get started so you don't forget. And then there's going to be something happening over here and there's something going to be happening over here. Okay, so it's this or that. Okay. So we look here. So this one's lined up right here at -2. Okay. And this one is actually in between 1 and 2. Let's call it 1.4. Okay, it's not terribly clear. We'll just make our best estimate. So we'll say 1.4. Okay, good. And so let's tackle this inequality first. If you look at this, it's saying this x value is going to be what? It's going down, it's going down, it's going down, it's going down. So all of this over here, this x must be smaller than -2. And because this is open, it's not colored in, you do not put the equal line, okay? Coming over here, it looks here, x is going bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger. So this x value must be bigger than our estimate of 1.4. And if you look, that circle is completely filled in. So it means, you know what? Also, it could be equal to. And so because there are two pieces to this, this is our compound inequality, we could say x is less than -2 or x is greater than or equal to 1.4. And that is your compound inequality. Good job. As always, if you want more math practice, don't forget to subscribe. And if there's a special type of problem or something you want to make for you, just leave a comment below and I'll do my best to get it made for you. Thanks.